So hi everyone. So in this video we gonna see like I scared to speak the English. So what is the reason we are the scared to speaking the English? You know, so many people are thinking in English they can, but they can't speak the English because of so many reasons also there in the beginning. Because of some people are just speak very well in their mindset like in your mind, but literally if you speaking in your around you can do it because of you are the not practicing your English communications the loud in your mouth. If you like something the better or something the different you move, so yeah, you will achieve. So they practice every day English or something that different. Some people are there thinking like English, but they can't speak. So literally, guys, I'm also something given my best. I also put in the hard work, but some of time I give up because of like we have the confidence. If you have the confidence, yeah, you can speak easily. Like how to say, like if you thinking in English, after that you will be made the huge difference. Actually I am also speaking the good English, but some of time I can't speak, but yeah, I will try to speak in the stranger in my mind, and also I am consuming so many the English content like watching movies or watching like some of the story minded. So these are the helpful for new word adaptability, and also I am learning the new words. So like I am also thinking in English, but I can't because of in your around like so much of people there are speaking the our mother tongue. How we are speaking in English and in any environment. So hereafter speaking in English in your mind, in yourself. After that, yeah, you build something and should the better guys. So please let me in the comment section like how are you the practicing English? How many ways are you the practicing English? And also you learning the English. So please let me in the comment section. Yeah, I also some idea it will be helpful for me also, and also if some viewers they can watch the videos, yeah, they can helpful. So some people are thinking the like how to say the really if you speak in the English, I am good at the English, after that I can speak. So yeah guys, in this video we are discuss about this. I also like the favorite struggle. I am also speaking alone. I am also the practicing every day in myself in my own way, but yeah, it is going on. Speak slowly guys. If you speak slowly, yeah, you can speak the very well. I before the week I realized like if you speaking that slowly, your word will be the thinking level also increase guys. If you the what the next word you will be needed, yeah, you have the thinking time it will get. So speak slowly, and also if you need any suggestion for me, so please let me in the comment section. Yeah, I will do also something. And also if you have any suggestions video like the different video, yeah, I will talk to that also. So if you need like the watch to me the full video, I'll support also my video. If you like to like speak with me, please let me in the comment section. I will create some Google Meet. We can speak with together like how we are the improve our communication skills, like the podcast, the conversation, the podcast. It is a mix helpful for the new learners also the beginners. So it is in this video guys. So if I any made a mistake, please let me in the comment section. I will do my future upcoming videos. I correct that. I will upload it. So thanks for the watching guys. So if you like this video, so please like my videos and share my channels like your friends or something different. So don't wait for the perfect time guys. It is a never come. Start simple. Use the simple words every day. Like I wake up, I gonna take shower. Like after that ask yourself, yeah, can you do this me. And also, so can you do so could you come with me? So like these are the simple word I can use it. This is the main huge difference for your English learning guys. So thanks for the watching. So we're gonna see next video.